Hello everyone, welcome back to Talented Developer. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to get the current working directory. In this tutorial, we are going to see two simple approach. So first of all, you can see this is my current project and I want to know what is my current working directory. So what you can do, just declare one string and you can give the variable name as here path, and what you can do, just use System.getProperty. Here you have to pass the key. So what you can pass here, just try to use user.dir, that means user.directory, and try to print this one. So just try to put the message like working directory and try to put the path and just try to run. So you can see current working directory is here, what, the talented developer code repository, GitHub, and all Java program. So this is my current working directory. So currently this is the working directory, and whatever you saw, it is exactly matching. Now there is another approach. What you can do, just try to use here a string path1 equal to, just use paths, and this will come from java.neo.file.paths.get. So here I'm just going to pass the empty string because I need to find my current working directory, and you have to again change to absolute path, then just use string, and after that just you can copy this whole thing, and instead of path just try to use path1 and try to run. So you can see using both approach we are getting correctly working directory. So in this get property, if you want to learn something more, what you can do, just use here user.home, or you can pass the name or dir also, whatever we just saw. So instead of dir, if you pass home, what will be happen, it will try to show the user home. So you can see it is showing c/user/rohit. So this is a way to get the current working directory. So in next tutorial we are going to see how to read the content of a file. That's it for the day. Bye.